Hello guys, thank you very much for joining me. This is Roy Machingura. Welcome back to Big Valley, your channel for your weekly pre-market analysis. As usual, we're going to be looking at the EURUSD and the USD ZAR, and we're going to start with the EURUSD pair. So we'll be doing the top-down analysis approach from the monthly up to the daily time frame. This week again, we are not going to do the monthly analysis as we haven't yet closed the month. There's still one more day before we close the month, so if you want to watch the monthly analysis, just click on the link above where you'll be directed to the video with the monthly analysis. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into our analysis. So in this coming week, we're going to be guided by this bullish trend and also the fact that the price broke this resistance zone. After breaking this resistance zone, it came and retested it as a support zone, and it managed to hold as a support zone, and the price moved to the upside. So we are being guided by a bullish breakout and also a bullish trend. So what we'll be expecting in the coming week is a situation where we'll be expecting continued movement to the upside to have more probability. But yes, we're also expecting the market to be very volatile as it is coming closer to the resistance area. So in the coming week, what I'll be expecting is a situation where, since the price has been forming higher highs and higher lows after this retest of the support zone, I'll be expecting this bullish movement to continue to the upside. Or it can be a case where the price will just move to the upside, and then because of volatility, it may create wicks or tails. But overall, I'm expecting it to continue to be making another high. So the first scenario is where the price is going to reach 1.22823. So the second scenario now is a situation where, because I'm saying there's too much volatility, and also because of the fact that the price is closer to a resistance area, I'll be expecting a case where the price is going to form a bearish candle here, maybe a bearish engulf or a reversal sign. And once it does that, this would mean that the price would have formed a double top as closer to the resistance area, and this double top would be lower than the previous top. And in that case, what I'll be expecting now is where the price is going to reverse and seeking to retest this zone as a support area for the second time. Upon reaching this, if it holds as a support zone for the second time, we'll be trading it as a double top and then expecting the price to move to the upside. Or if it doesn't hold, we'll be expecting the price to move all the way to the downside. So these are the movements that I'll be expecting on the weekly chart, and now we move on to the daily chart. So on this time frame, just as on the weekly time frame, we're guided by this breakout where the price broke this and then retested this as a support zone, and the price is moving to the upside. Then also we are also being guided by this trend that has been formed, right? So we can say this is a trend line that has emerged, right? So we'll be expecting the price to probably move to the upside, or with more probability to move to the upside. So having said that, we can notice that ever since retesting this as a support zone, the price has been making consistent higher highs and higher lows. And also in the cases where it retraced, after that retracement or that correction, the price still made a higher high and a higher low consistently. So you can notice that after the price having consolidated on this, around this area, forming a bull flag, the price went on to form a higher low within the bull flag and broke above the flag. And after breaking above the flag, it made a higher high and then went on to form a higher low. So since the price made a higher low here and it has a bullish pin bar, I'm expecting the price to move to the upside, breaking the level of the bull flag again. And also from the trend line perspective, what I'm noticing is that the price made this first touch here, and then the second touch and the third touch. So for me, this third touch confirmed that we still have a bullish trend to the upside. So what we'll be expecting is for the price, since it made another touch here and formed a bullish pin bar, in the process forming a higher low, I'll be expecting the price to continue moving to the upside and test this 1.2390-23095 zone. Then from the bearish perspective, because we are approaching a resistance area, what we can notice now is a situation where on the weekly chart the price has been volatile, and also I'm expecting the same to happen because there is likely to be volatility here. In terms of the bearish side, what I'll be expecting is a situation where the price forms a lower high around this zone, and if it forms a lower high, the price is going to form a lower low, in the process breaking the trend line resist support zone, and then pull back to retest it as a resistance zone, maybe before moving all the way to the downside to come and retest this zone again as a support zone. So these are the two movements that I'm expecting on the daily chart, but with more probability I'm expecting the bullish move. So thank you very much guys for joining me. It was a pleasure having you here. That leaves me to say, so thank you very much guys for joining me. It was a pleasure having you here. You just put in the comment section what you think, and like what are your feelings now that we are going to the resistance area. Do you still feel that there might be an upward push, or there is going to be a bearish pressure? There's going to be bearish pressure that's going to move the price to the downside. So just put it on the comment section so that we can have a discussion. You have a great weekend. That leaves me to say, manage your risk well, grind the markets with grit. Roy Machingura out.